Hi, to change keyboard on your Vivo X100 Pro, we will need to go in the Play Store first, and here just find any keyboard you like. I selected this Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, you can download it too. So now it is installed and we can open it, and here as you can see we need to set it up. So for that we need to go in the settings on our phone and now scroll till you see the System tab. In this tab you will need to select Languages and Input. And after that, go in the on-screen keyboard and firstly select Manage it and enable your new keyboard just by tapping on this switcher. Now go back and now go in the default one and simply switch to your new keyboard by tapping it. And after that, it will be your new default keyboard, so let's check it. I'm just gonna trigger my keyboard and this is how Microsoft look. And now let's switch back to the default Vivo's keyboard. For that, let's return back in its settings and select Gboard. And this is the Gboard keyboard. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.